Family, it's your boy Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Just wanted to say something about life that I have learned, that when you play the game long enough, you're going to get burnt. That's just what it is. So if you don't want to get burnt, don't play the game, because that's the end result of the game. You see what I'm saying? So don't think that you're going to be, you know what I mean, hustling however you hustle that's illegal anyway, and think you ain't gonna never hit no stumble in the road. That's a part of the game. Don't think that you just gonna be out here blasting and fucking these hoes, and don't think you ain't gonna get caught up in some type of bullshit. That's a part of the game. You see what I'm saying? Don't think you gonna be out here lying and cheating and stealing, and you think you ain't gonna get caught up in your shit. That's a part of the game, man. So you gotta ask yourself this question: whatever you a part of, are you willing, are you conscious in knowing that there is consequences to these actions? So are you willing to face them consequences? Are you willing to live that lifestyle? You claiming a lifestyle, but are you willing to live the end result of the lifestyle? One thing I have learned, man, I have seen it from both sides of the fence, because I was young enough to crawl under the fence and thought I was doing something. You know what I mean? And yeah, for my age, I probably, was doing something that my peers wasn't doing, but it didn't do nothing but, put me in a situation, that took up a lot of my time. But at the same time, it saved me too. So, I can't really, it's kind of like a catch-22, you know what I mean? But I won some, so it wasn't a complete lose. But one thing that I ask myself today, though, when I sit here and I just think, and I'm up in the morning, I think about some of my friends and my loved ones who have passed, who have been hurt, situations I done been in, and I was like, man, it was a part of the game, you know what I'm saying? We play certain things, and when you start planting them good seeds and you start going a different direction, yeah, good things are going to come, because it's a part of the game. You know what I mean? What you plant is what you get. I have never known someone to work all day and plant a garden and didn't know what type of seeds they was planting. They knew that after they finished doing all this work and they finished watering it and it sit there for a couple of days and the sun bless it and they come out there and they work it a little bit more, they knew what they was going to expect. So think about that. Don't be so naive that you don't even know you out here planting a fucking garden with your life and you don't even know what type of seeds you're planting. Come on, man. It's real. It's 2018. We knocking on 19. And shit is changing daily if you haven't been watching the news. So, what type of seeds are you planting, man? I'm just trying to give you some games so that way you can wake up and be like, damn, I've been planting the wrong seeds. It ain't too late. Once you realize that you've been planting the wrong seeds, just start planting the right ones. Like, damn, I've been putting the wrong ones and now I messed around and got this sack messed up. You know what I'm saying? I mean, but plant the right seeds, because it's a part of the game that you're going to get back what you sowed.